Welcome back everyone. My greetings to all. In this video, we are going to know about how a bill is passed in the parliament. So stay tuned for more videos like this. So let us get started. One of the most important functions of the parliament is to make laws. The elected members of the parliament make laws that are needed for the development and growth of our country. So how are these laws made? Can the prime minister or president just introduce a law? The answer is a simple no. The Constitution of India provides for a certain procedure that needs to be followed to make a law. Let us know them. Beginning of a law. A bill can be introduced either in the Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. A bill can be introduced either by minister or private member. Options for new law. Once the bill is introduced in the Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, the member who introduced it or other members of the parliament can demand the bill to be taken into consideration, bill to be referred to select committee or joint committee. It can be circulated for the purpose of eliciting public opinion. Bill taken into consideration, the first test. When a bill is taken into consideration by the members of the Lok Sabha, that is 530 members, discuss and debate every detail of the law in the Lok Sabha. When it is accepted by all the members and no changes are required, the bill is declared passed from Lok Sabha. Then the bill is passed by a simple majority voting process. So, out of 530 members, simple majority is just more than 50% votes, which is 265 votes and above. The bill is passed onto the Rajya Sabha to be discussed and debated. Now, let us know what Rajya Sabha can do. Rajya Sabha can completely reject the bill. In that case, President will call Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha to sit together and discuss the bill. Next, the bill gets ready for the second test. Law at Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha can pass the bill with changes, amendments. Rajya Sabha may take no action on the bill. If action is not taken for 6 months, then the President will call for a joint sitting of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Next comes the final test for the bill. Once it is passed by both the houses, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, the bill is presented to the President to be signed. If the President refuses the bill, then that is the end of the bill. If the President signs and gives assent, then it becomes a law. Friends, this is how the bill is passed in the Parliament. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you and have a great day.